I've been passionate about cars since an early age. I got into cars helping my father and uncles carry out restorations on early model Holdens and Fords, and I currently own a HQ Monaro, and I've spent the last 20 years doing a ground-up restoration on it. Hi, I'm Mitch Turner, owner and operator of Autoleaders Southport. Here at Autoleaders Southport, we specialise in logbook servicing, general servicing, brakes, suspension, cooling systems, and we also specialise in car air conditioning servicing and repairs. And we offer complimentary 12-month RACQ roadside assistance.
The communication is really clear, which I really appreciate, because I run the service department as well, so having the guys ring me if there's any issues straight away, and we get them sorted that day, and to get us up and running as quick as can.
They explain issues with my car in a way to me that I understand and keep me updated during the process. They go above and beyond with their service and always make me feel like I'm being looked after.
We have a great, loyal and honest team working here at Autoleaders Southport that are passionate about quality workmanship.
The whole process was positive, professional, and they always talked, they worked with me, and they told me about what they were going to do, and they always did a great job.
We try to build trust with our customers through quality workmanship and communication, and we hope they feel like a part of the Autoleaders family.